What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Monday, August 31st, 2020. We've got some exciting news to discuss in today's video. But before we do that, let's go ahead and take a look at the markets and see where we're going to be starting this week off at. Gold is up, currently at 1976.03. Silver is making a very, very nice push, all the way up at 28.17, giving us a ratio of 70-14. Palladium is down, currently at 943.97, and palladium is up slightly, currently at 2288.48. In other metals markets, rhodium is steady at 11,700. Copper's down 1 penny at 303. Aluminum is steady at 79 cents, and uranium also steady at 30.75. We have seen a nice little bump in barrels of crude oil. Prices of barrels are currently at 43.46. Had a good day on Wall Street on Friday. The markets are going to be starting the week off up this week. Dow futures are pointing up. Currently, the Dow is going to be starting the week at 28,653.87. The NASDAQ will be starting the week at 11,695.63, and the S&P 500 is going to be starting at 35,0801. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, you're in luck. Those are up. Has seen some very nice gains so far today, currently at 11,690.09, and if you happen to trade in the Utah Goldback, those are going off at 327 right now. Speaking of Utah Goldback, we're going to be drawing the winner for Free Gold Friday here in just a few minutes, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. The article we're going to discuss today, let me pull that up here real quick. Oh, it disappeared. All right. Now we got to find it again. And there it is. All right. Government to run rare earth processing facility to be operational in 2022. This comes to us out of Canada. A Canadian dollar, $31 million rare earth processing facility is being built by an arm of the Saskatchewan government. The facility was announced last week by the Saskatchewan Research Council. Government officials hope the facility will act as a catalyst and form an industrial model for future commercial rare earth resource expansion in the province. Province, they call them province up there, not Providence, I guess. Saskatchewan's new rare earth processing facility will be the catalyst to stimulate the resource sector in Saskatchewan and across Canada, providing an early stage supply chain needed to generate cash flow, investment, and industrial growth in the sector, Premier Scott Moe said. It will also help ensure the competitiveness of Saskatchewan as we focus on our economic recovery and growth and grow our province over the next decade. The facility is expected to be fully operational in late 2022, with construction beginning this fall. So guys, my question to you is, this is the first I've heard of a government actually operating its own mine. Obviously, there are state-run mines in Africa and other countries, but this is the first time I've seen a rare earth metal mine operated by a government. Now, it is a nice government. Obviously, we have no beef with Canada, and they have minimal beef with us, I would say. But so it's not a rudimentary government that's just seizing control of a mine. This is a government that's actually opening up its own processing mine and facility. So what do you guys think? Is it a good idea for governments to get involved in the mining game if this is a gateway to gold and silver mining? You know, what do you guys think? Is it good for governments to have their own mines and process their own precious metals as well? Let me know down in the comments. I'd be very curious to hear what you guys have to say. So I said we had some exciting news today, and that would be over on the stock market. Tesla and Apple both had stock splits over the weekend. We saw Tesla stocks, they split 4-1. So if you owned a share of Tesla stock on Friday, that stock was, let's see. Doesn't give me a closed chart. Friday, it closed at 22.13.40. Currently, stocks are at 446.23. Apple, it closed the week out at 499.23, and those have split 4 ways as well. Currently at 125.60. So now what does this mean? This means that you guys have a unique opportunity to get in on these big blue chip stocks for not a lot of money. Obviously, $125 for a share of Apple stock. That's what, 6 ounces of gold right now? Not very much. And with the increase that we saw on these stocks, so Apple, for instance, I got their chart pulled up here. Just 3 months ago, their shares were trading below $320. So they had gained almost $200 in just 3 months, or that's about 70% in 3 months. Tesla, on the other hand, let's see, Tesla 3 months ago was trading under $800. And in 3 months, they went up to 22.13. So is it a good time to get in? Personally, I think it is. We haven't talked about it here recently, but the shares of Spirit Airlines stock that we talked about in the mining stocks that I still have those. Made a nice little amount of money. I think I'm up 60%, a little over 60% since we purchased those back in May. So just 3 months, I'm up 60% there as well. So trending with the market, but there is room for growth, and I do plan on converting at least a portion of the Spirit Airlines stock into a share in Tesla today, just to see what it's going to be. It's play money, so we'll see how that does. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Guys, I know you guys are really here to find out who's winning the free gold today. Let's not split hairs here. We had 27 people that commented Goldback on Friday's video, and we are going to draw the winner for one Utah Goldback and the Indy XP sticker, which is in some countries considered currency. Let's go ahead and take a look. We had 27 unique commenters that commented. Let's go ahead and fire up the old random generator and see who's going to win. Boop, 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 boop. And the winner is Dwayne Roberts. Dwayne Roberts, congratulations, sir. Dwayne says, who wouldn't want to win a Goldback and a sticker? Well, sir, you won a Goldback and a sticker. Congratulations. Make sure you email me your contact information at indyguy711@gmail.com. Again, indyguy711@gmail.com. I'm going to put that down in the description below so you guys have that. Dwayne Roberts, congratulations. He's been a fan of the channel for some time. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. And if you haven't appreciated old Indy XP, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for me right there so we can defeat the YouTube algorithms. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on when all the latest and greatest content is coming out, especially so you can make sure you're not missing the Free Gold Friday notifications, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can keep up to date on when those videos are coming out. Speaking of videos, I'm going to post the box right here. It's going to have the latest and greatest video right here in this area. Make sure that you hit that so you can start working your way through the back catalog. Guys, I've been Indy XP from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.